with the counties that they are now working with us on the 315 community primary care networks, 315 primary care networks that are that actually cover every part of Kenya to ensure that we keep tabs on matters health as close to the citizen as is possible, and that decisions will be made at that level on procurement, on service delivery, and we can also give an account of what health looks like in every locality. To further enhance access and affordability of health care, government is committed to promoting investment in local manufacturing of pharmaceutical and non-pharmaceutical medical supplies. Our domestic market for pharmaceuticals and medical consumables is a whopping 110 billion Kenya shillings, of which less than 20% is locally manufactured. There is an immense opportunity for investment in manufacturing, and the government of Kenya is going to take all necessary measures to guarantee a business environment to make Kenya the region's pharmaceutical manufacturing hub, both for manufacturing for our local consumption and also for our region. After seeing what Kenyatta University Teaching, Research and Referral Hospital has achieved in establishing a modern center to provide advanced diagnosis and treatment, I am persuaded that it deserves support to complete the stalled Children's Hospital and Pediatric Cancer Wing, and also to construct a women's hospital with a breast cancer center. We are going to work out the details on what that looks like, and we are going to work together to ensure that it is delivered in a timely and, much more importantly, cost-effective manner. We are keen to develop a network of specialized public referral institutions providing advanced care that is driven by scientific research and technological innovation. And again, I want to include the items that were, and I have already told Waziri to look into the next generation sequencing machine so that, and see what we can do in ensuring that we can deliver that facility. Hopefully, we can be able to assess and we can be able to do what that machine is doing elsewhere, but back here in Kenya. So we will work with you. We will work with all the other stakeholders that support this hospital. And I want to thank our good friends from the World Health Organization for their partnership in the delivery of this facility and in what they are doing with us. Again, to commend you for the MOU that was signed this morning between WHO and our Ministry of our Ministry of Health, so that Kenya can be positioned, or we can position ourselves as a country, as a hub. I have already instructed Moses Kuria to provide the 50 acres for you in Mombasa, and he is already working on the details, and I have his commitment that that will be ready in a month's time, and therefore the ball will squarely be in your court thereafter. To strengthen our partnerships with key global institutions for the benefit of the people of Kenya, I am delighted by the decision to make available 30 acres, as has been mentioned, of unutilized land to the World Health Organization for the development of a regional health emergency hub and training center for Africa. I note that this provision leaves adequate land available for the future expansion of the university and this hospital. The MOU signed today provides a framework under which Kenya and